Hello everybody, it's Brian with Indiana Outdoors. Today I'm sawing some lumber. It's going to be for the cabin I'm going to build this summer. Sawing some lumber with granberg chainsaw mill. Just want to show you how I got this set up here, and then I'm going to show you the sawing. I've already got it started. But what I did, I've got a ladder laying there, of course. On the end I've got some angle iron. Got it leveled up. Got it screwed on there to hold the ladder from wobbling side to side. And to hold it in place, I've got these strips here. These are masonry strips that you use to hold block up, or stone on block whenever you lay them. Just got them screwed in there with 1-inch screws. And like I said, I've already started cutting to show you what's going on here. But these are going to be 2x. They're going to be rafters. They're going to be 2x10s whenever it gets all said and done. But anyway, I'll get back to sawing and show you how it's done. Now we got the first cut done. Got a nice level playing field there to run the mill across. And we'll readjust to the mill. I had it set on 4.5 inches to clear all the brackets and everything, the screws I had in there. So I'll readjust that to 2 inches, and then we'll go to sawing the 2-inch lumber. Alright, I figured I'd show you how to adjust this if anybody was interested in knowing. Got these U-clamps here on either end that just clamp the top guide to the actual frame. Got markings on here. It's measured out into 14 inches. Right now, like I said, we're at 4.5 inches on each side. So all we have to do is just loosen these. It's pretty straightforward. It's not complicated. We just want to loosen those U-bolts up, drop it down to 2 inches, retighten it, and then get the sawing. Alright, I'm going to show you the, this is a Granberg Alaskan sawmill edger, is what this one is. Anyway, I'm using a smaller saw here. What it is, it comes with this bracket here that goes on the saw. It's got a V channel in it right here. And then you got this channel here that they give you. There's 12 foot of this channel. You screw that down to a straight 2x6, and then screw the 2x6 down to your log. And why I didn't do this on the first pass, I was going to waste too much of the lumber here on the side. So now we're out here on the edge. Now that we're out here on the edge, all we're going to do is just pretty much take the bark off down through there. Now when we get down at the end, as you can see, we're going to have to move the board, but that won't be any big deal. But show you here, I've already got it started. Just kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. It's pretty straightforward, but it's kind of neat. Takes a while, but it's enjoyable. Give you something to do. Alright, so here it is from the other side after I got done edging it. See what it looks like there. You know, I was a little bit concerned. You see how it's wide here and it narrows down in the middle and widens back out. I thought, you know, you got natural taper down here on the butt end, so that would be common. But when I got down at the other end, I moved the 2x6. I thought, well, I probably moved it too far. But the tree must just have a natural curve to it there, because I run a string down through it just a minute ago, and it is straight. So that's all you can ask for. Now we've got a straight edge on two sides. We'll take that back off and use the big saw and cut some more 2-inch slabs. All right, so there's the end result. Got a little piece of 2x left there. I'm gonna cut off. The rest of it's sawdust and a little bit of bark there. Get that one piece over there we originally cut off. I'll show you what the top 5. Yeah, the top 5 boards there is what we just cut. Probably 2 hours worth of time. So, but it'll be worth it because you know, it's all going to be part of the cabin, and it's all going to be hand done, and you know, it just takes time and labor. So enjoy it, y'all. All right, well, this is Brian with Indiana Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, because we're going to be building a cabin. You know, I've said that several times, but anyway, that's what all this is about. Getting started, getting preparation. I've got the foundation done. Haven't got the stone laid, but anyway, we'll get waiting on weather and all that. We had quite a bit of rain, but we'll get on here pretty soon, and I'll be showing you some pictures and some video, and hopefully before too long we can start laying up some logs. It's going to be a round log cabin, 16 by 16. While I'm here, I'll just show you that that's the cabin. I know it don't look like it, but that's it. And now I'm not going to be building it here. This is my home place. I have some hunting property out by the Hoosier National Forest. Got 40 acres out there. That's where the cabin's going to be. So anyway, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. It's Brian with Indiana Outdoors, and God bless.